So you talk all this adult daycare. Question is adult daycare recession proof?
Hell yeah, it is. No, I mean, like, all right, is it pandemic proof? Probably not. But it is recession proof. So, what are the odds that we're gonna have another pandemic? I don't know. Who knows, right? like you can't. How many times can you shut the whole freaking world down like that? Okay. So, but the reality of it is that it is recession proof. Here's why, and here's what's cool about it: is that at the end of the day, it's a needs based business. People are always going to need care. Okay, so like the economy doesn't care if Mrs. Smith needs help going to the restroom. There is no tie to whether or not, like, as the population is getting older and as more and more people are aging, there's gonna be more and more people that need care regardless of whether we're like in a shitty economy or if we're in a really good economy. So the reality of it is it's important to understand that, and this is why I love adult daycare too, is because it is such an affordable option that in rough times, if people are utilizing in-home services, if people maybe were thinking about moving their loved one into assisted living, this might be the perfect opportunity for them to explore the alternative options and try to find less expensive care options. And that's when they're going to land on adult daycare, because it's going to cost less than assisted living. It's going to cost less than home care. And so in situations like that, like, adult daycare becomes prime for, like, the market. Like, it's a prime solution in difficult times because people are looking more affordable care options, and adult daycare will be there to serve that need. If you want to start your own recession-proof business, go to adcpro.com, join our Facebook group, join our monthly webinars, check out all of our YouTube videos. We cover everything you could possibly imagine on the subject of adult daycare, and we'd love for you to join this movement. Well, I gotta get back to work. You gotta get back to work. So like, comment, subscribe, show some love. We'll see you on the next one. Peace. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.